Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I want to share with you guys something that's not necessarily new, but it's new to me and I've been absolutely loving it, and I want you guys to see how incredible it is. And that would be the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette. If you guys are like me and you follow Lynn's makeup looks, you probably see her use these all the time, the Blend Bunny palettes. This palette is so stunning. It is an all matte palette, but the pigmentation in this palette is unmatched. We're going to be doing this eye look on this eye. There is a shimmer. I'm going to share that with you guys in a little bit. So the first shade that we're going into is this mint green. It's called Inside Joke. My eye base is a combination of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Warm and the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in white. Just watch and be amazed. Wow! Look at that pigment, just on like a little tiny like pencil brush. That is some insane amount of pigment. Then we're going into this pastel purple called Giggle. I have used this palette already. I will put some of the eye looks I've done on this screen. I'm loving it. Like, I am absolutely loving this palette so much. It's been the main palette that I've been using here lately, and then I usually just add a shimmer. I do kind of like that better. Bring some more purple out to the edge. Okay, then on a flat shadow brush, we are going to take the shade Sunsets, which is a pastel purple, a pastel pink. And we're just gonna put that on the outer corner and working our way into the center. Sorry for forgetting to zoom you in. Then going into the shade Promise. This palette is like the perfect gradient, and I feel like makes it so much easier for someone who maybe not as used to makeup to like learn what colors to blend with. And I'm just kind of blending that, trying to blend in the pink and the purple together. Now taking the shade Dream, which is a pastel blue, and I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner underneath the green. Gonna blend it into the pink. We're obviously gonna blend a lot more than what's being blended right now, so don't worry. Then taking Bubble Bath, which is this like minty blue, and just using that to kind of blend in the blue and green a little bit. Now taking a tiny little blender brush, I'm going back into Inside Joke, and I'm just gonna blend it out. That's on a fluffy brush. Now going back into Giggle, and we're just going to do the same with the purple and just blend it out. I also like to take Cream and Sugar, which is the white. I also like to take that to blend out these shades just a little bit more. If I feel like I've like overstepped with them, I'll just take a little bit of white and just fix it. Going back into Sunsets again and just brightening up that pink. And then we're going to do the same with Dream. Taking the blender brush and going into Promise, just to blend in that pink and purple. Then doing the same with Bubble Bath. Okay, and like I said, it is an all matte palette. So today I took the ColourPop Jelly Much eyeshadow in Sage Bundle. This is what it looks like. It just has this really pretty like greenish blue shift to it, and so I just took some of that off the lid and just kind of kept it like in the center of my eye and like going upwards, and I spread it around a little bit. This is my first time using Jelly Much eyeshadow, so I'm really excited. It looks stunning and I kind of want them in every single color. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and we'll be back to finish this eye look. Okay, my makeup's almost done. Now I'm gonna add yellow to the inner corner. So I'm gonna go into the shade Secrets, which is a very, very light pastel yellow. I will say the yellow isn't the most pigmented, but come on, it's a pastel yellow. Practically white. On that same little pencil brush, I'm thinking probably just green and purple on the lower lash line, or maybe even just green and blue. Maybe green and blue. So we're going back into Inside Joke. Then I'm going to take Dream. Now my eye is so unhappy with me. And then I'm going to take Giggle and just blend that out. Here's the finished eye look. The whole look all together. I cannot wait to try more stuff from Blend Bunny Cosmetics because these shadows are so pigmented. I am so excited. I love a good pastel palette, and this palette not only has pastels, but just the whole layout of it makes it so easy for like eyeshadow looks. Like it basically almost tells you exactly how to blend them. This whole palette is wonderful. I love the way it's set up. I love this palette. I know it's just a bunch of matte shades. I have been quite enjoying this. I actually have done a neutral eye look with this palette as well as some very fun pastel brighter ones. But there's definitely plenty of shades that I cannot wait to dive into that I haven't touched yet. I think that is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this palette isn't new, but it was new to me. I just really want to help spread the word of Blend Bunny because I know people are talking about it, but like I want more people to know how insanely pigmented these pastels are because it's incredible. Alright, I think that is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful if you're looking into Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you are here. I'd greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays, but sometimes Thursdays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!